Well, hello everybody. It is a beautiful Monday here. It's sunshiny, 60 degrees, and almost time to cut the grass. But we're going to walk out here and take a look at the garden. I hope I can get a good video because it's very sunny out here. We're going to walk out here, and everyone wanted to know how the onions were doing. So I'll let y'all see. I believe this first one, I've had to go back and watch my own videos to figure out what onions are what. I planted 3 different types. I do believe these here are the purple onions. I got some that are doing good and some are pretty big. They survived the freeze, thank God. I'll go over here and look at these onions. These are supposed to be some, I don't remember the name of them. They're white, not white onions, but a different yellow onion. Got some are still small. One I cut the onion blades back on, and it's sprouting up new blades. I just gotta make sure it don't go to seed. Some of them are pretty big though. Now this over here is a Texas 1015, and they are huge. I got a double one that came up here. Here's one I cut back, and it's getting new blades on it. We wanted to try it and see if it would work, and so far it looks like it works okay. Them are some huge babies. I hope it all comes out all right. I will see when they fall over. I might have to come. No, they're not pushing out of the ground yet. So I'll just leave them alone. But I might come back out here and trim some of these onion blades off and dry them, dehydrate them. That's what I was trying to think of. That'd be a lot of onion blades to dehydrate. So let's take a look at the rest of the garden. Got a cabbage head that's still pretty good. This one fell over and died. Les, Lone Star Pioneer come get this for his chickens. That's a little head right there. These might make it. Who knows? Since springtime hadn't got here yet, they might take off again. I planted all of these last October. This bed's got some pretty good ones. Got a big head right there. This head's getting big. Probably need to come fertilize them. That's a little head. And broccoli. A big head of broccoli right there. And this plant, I'm gonna have to come out here and cut this one off with the flower on me. Got a bunch of little broccoli heads. And this plant, broccoli plant, still has done nothing. Well, I haven't figured that one out yet. I see nothing so far. Maybe to do something. I didn't plant them that close together. One there and there, one there. Probably just need to throw some fertilizer to them. But I do need to come get that one off. Let's walk over here to the tubs. I still need to put out the lime and bring the pH up in these tubs. My burn barrel. That's where the habaneros were. I might get some that voluntarily comes up. Well, got a couple of heads of garlic there going. That was the lettuce that I planted a long time ago, and it's just now coming up over here. But I'd planted this whole tub with lettuce and it never came up. It's probably because the pH was low. This garlic is doing fairly good, but the pH is low in this one too. And the pH is low in all of these tubs, really. So I planted a bunch of spinach in these tubs, and that's all that's came up so far. I guess because the pH is low. It's still kind of moist. Man, I got weed eating to do. Yuck. That was a cabbage head that never made. This is a cabbage head. A little one. It might make something eventually. This was some spinach I planted over here. There's some right there. Just now coming up. These are all empty, so I need to plant. Gets warm enough, a little pepper bush will take off again, hopefully. But see, grass needs cutting, weeds need mowing, weed eating. Anybody need a job? Oh, see some honeybees out. I guess I better not mow until the honeybees are done. That's kind of strange in being out this early in the year. But I think I'm going to try to plant some green beans, if Brandy will let me, over here in these planters in front of the house. This is where she had all them pepper bushes. I might just fill this with green beans. And this is old pepper plants here that died. Come over here and plant some green beans. Well, green beans everywhere. Hi, Penny. Oh well, Autumn's taking a nap, so I figured I'd come and do a quick video to let y'all see what's going on. But y'all please like, share, and subscribe to videos. We're gonna keep making more for you. So y'all have a wonderful day. It's so beautiful out here. I could scream. Bye, y'all.